Synod College Shillong Kalapanlong Yaka Seminar Kabalaisngi Halor Kapang Waste Management and Circular Economy SWMCE Hajar Arpulai Bala Organize Daka Science Department Jonga Synod College Hapo ka DBT Star College Scheme Haga Jingi Trilang Bat ka Discipline and Cleanliness Cell Jonga Synod College Yakani ka seminar lapenlong na do ka arpu pratarik hado ka laipau tarik September Hajar Arpulai ha college campus. I Dr. Sadhan Kumar Ghosh, ibalong I Professor Jonga Department of Mechanical Engineering Jadavpur University, West Bengal, ubalong ru President Jonga International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, ISWMAW, ula ay ka jingkren. Hakani ka seminar layadon ru Shri PK Boro, ibalong CEO Jonga Shillong Municipal Board, Shri FB Khai, ibalong ex-engineer Jonga Shillong Municipal Board, Shri SM, ibalong ex-engineer Jonga Environment Meghalaya Pollution Control Board. But layadon ringka ru ki principal, Jonga College, bat ki school bapaya.
International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, in collaboration with the Synod College Shillong, is organizing this press conference. We thought that the Synod College and some two colleges and two schools like Municipal College, Northstone Presbyterian College, then Nongra School, then what is that other school? Sharon School. They are doing good job. I mean, Synod College has started this job for last 2 years. They have been doing it and they improving. So it is the right time to have a press conference so that this message goes to the society, to the government and to other stakeholders that this type of initiative is being conducted in Meghalaya. In 2017, when I was conducting some program in Andhra Pradesh, it came to my mind that we should do something in the small island countries where the full of ocean they are just bounded by, and the least town and cities in our country. So we started the small island country activities on waste management, like one of the small island country in Denmark, Bornholm. I have been working for 2017. We are creating the facilities of circular economy and how the waste can be utilized. And there are other Asia Pacific small island countries. Similarly, I was just exploring some scope for working with this hilly town, hilly cities. In 2019, that scope came to me that a teacher from this college, Synod College, as per the direction of the principal, called me that, "Sir, we want to hold a program on waste management and we invite you." I was very happy. Immediately I said yes. But due to the COVID and other things, it was delayed, and in 2021, they materialized it. So, and I delivered the lecture. But that time, one thing was in my mind, that this college has a real endeavor for holding this waste management issue very carefully. Because 2 years, they have been waiting for organizing one seminar. That means they have desire, but the facilities and other conditions were not suiting them. So then I realized that this is the college whom I should offer to initiate it. And as a matter of fact, after the lecture is delivered, then we discussed, and I told that, okay, the seed money will be the honorarium of for me for this giving the lecture, because they had some fund for giving the honorarium. Apart from that, I told that please hold the waste management facility in your college, and the International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, they will also give some seed support grant. I'm very happy to say that the principal, Dr. R.M. Lingam, immediately accepted my proposal and they have started working. And in 3 months' time, they installed all the facilities of waste management in the college, and formally, during the inaugural of the 11th International Conference on Waste Management, Sustainable Waste Management and Circular Economy, it was online program. So we told we will give you 10 minutes slot in that inaugural program. So please inaugurate that. So during that time, on 1st of December, I can remember, this facility in Synod College for the waste management and segregation and circular economy was inaugurated. And from that, it is going on very well. I have been in touch with them every time, monitoring, they are monitoring. They have made a team like discipline and cleanliness cell Synod College. They are taking care of this waste management work. They are encouraging number of students, their college and other colleges. In fact, my vision and mission, one of the visions and mission, because other visions and missions are there, one of my visions and mission is to spread the message of waste management, waste segregation and the circular economy, how waste can be converted into wealth and how business can be developed utilizing the waste, to make 50,000 students, college students and school students, to make aware of this important issue throughout Meghalaya. And this will act as a change agent in the state of Meghalaya. As a hill station, Meghalaya is one of the very important entity in our northeast region. But not much have been done yet. We need the support from the government, we need the support from the local urban authority, we need the support from the pollution control board, and we need the support from the general citizen. And to achieve this vision and mission, we already thought of selecting some of the persons from Meghalaya to have the core group to monitor it. I'm very happy that the 2 colleges and 2 schools have come forward for installing their facilities for waste management and waste segregation. After the waste management and waste segregation is little fulfilled, then we'll go for the recycling and reuse of those materials. And then we will give some business model. We discussed this morning with the pollution control board officers and municipal officers. So we requested them to support the youngsters in this state to start business utilizing waste. Because in my opinion, I have been working on this field. My research is for the last 25 years in this field. And my opinion, what I have seen, I have witnessed throughout the world, that waste management business or business utilizing the waste, whatever we are generating in India, will be 4th or 5th position in the total volume of business. It will surpass the steel industry. It will surpass many other industries, the whole of the side. Today only there are very big side of business which is being carried out in India. So my vision is implement the waste management concept, circular economy concept among the youngsters. We have to catch them young, encourage them how to develop business utilizing this waste, encourage them to encourage their families, their parents, their sisters and brothers and brethren. And as a matter of fact, the waste generation should be minimized so that we don't need any landfill site. Or even if there is a landfill site, that will be very small. On the other hand, our request is to the government, to the local authority, please install biogas plant, install compost plant, install different recycling processes. If recycling processes cannot be installed within the facility, you have a supply chain with the recyclers, with the melters, so that all the material can be used and have a very effective MRF, material recovery facility. With this, I will be encouraging and I will be requesting the media people, because you know that in spreading the awareness and also the implementation of the policy on waste management and circular economy, media has a great role to play. Because awareness generation cannot be done only by municipal board, pollution control or these colleges. But you have a strong base for spreading awareness. If you just spread this message in your TV channel, it will be viewed by lakhs of people in only a few minutes. And you can reach many people. So in that way, my request, please work with us, work with Synod College, work with Pollution Control Board, work with Municipal Board, work with other colleges who are encouraged by our mission and vision. Support them, keep in touch with them, and cover their activities, whatever they are doing. So in that way, it will be a great endeavor in the state of Meghalaya towards a better environment, towards a sustainable environment. I like to also inform you that we are holding a rally by the students, school students, in Nongra school. So the principal is here. So around 200 students will work with us. All the people will be there.
Sharon, sir.
Sharon school. And I request all of you to please come there, join us, work with us, and spread the message that these school children are thinking of waste management and environmental protection. So why not others? So with this, I thank Dr. Lindo for his very effective leadership, because ISWMAW, the International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, has identified Synod College, Shillong, as the coordinator of our implementation of mission for waste management, segregation and the circular economy. So I thank his team, and I also thank Pollution Control Board and Municipal Board for their support, and thank to all the colleges and schools who are coming forward. And with this, I thank you all, and I am handing over the microphone to Pollution Control Board. And after we speak, then you can question.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to extend my appreciation to the principal Synod College, especially the college administrations, for having been able to start the project of waste management within their campus since 2021. The project that the college has initiated is very, on waste management is very, very important. It concerns with all of us. I take this privilege to request the media persons to kindly disseminate the message through your channels, so that with the cooperations from all the concerns, all the citizens, the municipal board, in due course of time, we will be able to segregate the waste 100% in our capital city, Shillong. And I do hope, I do believe with your cooperations, our city, Shillong, will be one day clean and clean. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Lindo, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to say something on this program. Indeed, I am very grateful to Professor Ghosh, who has come all the way from Calcutta. Not only today, he was here yesterday. He was at my own Presbyterian Science College. to inaugurate the program in our college on waste management and segregation. It is through the help, guidance and support of principals Shillong College, that this of Synod College, that this program of waste management and segregation has been extended to our college. And indeed, the college is privileged and very grateful to Professor Ghosh for extending his project to the college. I am very happy that it could be started yesterday. I know waste segregation, waste management is a problem of everybody. It is not only the problem of the college or not the problem of the municipality and all others. It is, to me, in my opinion, it is a problem of everybody. So with this attitude of mine, so what I felt is that for the past many years, since the start of this Myran Presbyterian Science College, this problem has been pricking my conscience. How do we go about solving this problem? It is there. It does not go away because I've seen this problem is there in front of my eyes. How to do away? Somehow I got lost. I lost the sense of direction. That I must confess. But when Sir give this opportunity, I find my sense of direction. And I think now I am moving in the right direction to solve this chronic problem. Not only for a few years, but for the days to come. Because it is through this program we can involve our students, our teachers, to be personally involved. Any program, it is my experience that if there is no participation from the target group, it is not successful. But this program provides a unique opportunity so that everybody can participate, especially in this case, in the case of students. They participate in making the environment of the college and its surrounding villages clean and green, and at the same time, they will take the message home. And it will solve the problem at the home level as well as in the neighborhood in which they are living. So this is a kind of a chain reaction. It is going on, it is not going to end. It will be a continuous process, and I am sure with this unique idea of Professor Ghosh, we can solve this problem. So these are some of my thoughts, what I have seen, what this project has for us, and it has inspired me that this is really the project which we can do. We can participate actively and we shall be successful. So with these few words, thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's such a great privilege for me to be here today in this program. I feel it's so special for me that I can involve myself in such a great work. And on behalf of the school also, we are happy that this kind of activities are coming to our institution, that we can, as an institution, we feel that we can do something for the community and for the localities out there. So as nowadays, all of us will have a lot of problems regarding these issues. So this is one of the golden opportunity in order how to maintain the life of the people in the community. So we have seen also that the environment faces a lot of problems nowadays. So it is one of, I would like to thank especially SK Ghosh for bringing this thing that we never dreamed in our life, we never expect how we'll solve this problem. But suddenly this week, coordinator from Synod College, Madam Khamautam, come and approach with us and talk and discuss with us regarding this problem. So I feel a great privilege for us also to start or to initiate and to put the work into practice for the benefits of and for the future of tomorrow of the city. So thank you, sir, for bringing this new thing to us, and we can start and we can stand united and work together. And I don't have so much idea, but sir, you are as our mentor, then any problem regarding this issue, we are free to communicate with you.
You are welcome. But
So we have lots of problem and lot of many things we are lacking regarding this work. So I think from the one you start and the one you bring this one, we are under your concern and your advice regarding this.
sure, and Dr. Lindo is here.
Yes.
By size also he is big, by mind also he is big.
And for tomorrow programs for the inauguration of the project in our institution, I would like to invite you all to participate together, and we arrange a short distance rally regarding the awareness to make the people aware about the issue. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. You want to say anything? No. All right. Edmund, no. All right. Ram, you can raise a vote of thanks to them.
Okay, so before I just say a vote of thanks to the friend from the media, I'd just like to say that this problem on waste management is a problem for everyone. And the solution also should not be by the municipal board or by pollution control board only, but it is by everyone. So the purpose of a program like this is to create awareness so that, everyone is a solution to the problem that is a problem for everyone. So if you do like that, we can reduce the waste that we generated. So maybe in future, if everyone is involved, can cut down, maybe initially by 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, and finally the problem will be there for the board, will be there for other agencies, in urban areas. But finally, because we have reduced the waste, the work will be less. As I said, we may require landfills, but it will be less. So we'll have a solution to the problem by everyone's involvement. So the idea of this kind of program is that we should catch the young friends, the students especially, because they're the one who will carry forward the message to the family, and their minds are open. They can adopt the practices that will reduce the waste. So on that note, I would just like to express once again my special thanks on behalf of the college to Professor S.K. Ghosh. It's indeed, I said, a very special occasion in the history of the college to have you, sir, with us, and your guidance and your mentorship will be a great help to us. And I thank also Sir Moro from Shillong Municipal Board. He has really given his time. I know he's a very busy person, but to be here for the whole day, really appreciate it, sir. And in future, I think we can make corrections. Also thank everyone who is present here from Shillong School, from Myran Christian College, from St. College and and from Mula Maliang, Ahmad Pachang. And I also give a very special thanks to our friends from the media who have really responded to the invitation to be here with us and to spread this message through the channels to more and more people, so that this awareness program can reach more audience, more people, so everyone is involved, as I've said, in the problem which belongs to everyone, and we can get a solution to the problem. So with few words, I would like to thank you.
Thank you. So now the floor is open for the question and answer. So if you have any question, you can ask from the media.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I'll request you please stay back for a cup of tea, meeting friends from the gym. And sir, after the leave,
Yeah, please, yeah. Okay. Thank you.